Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best Naissant Mascarilla Matizante is probably one of the most sought-after hair care products for those looking to neutralize unwanted yellow tones and achieve a beautiful, cool-toned blonde or silver finish, making it an essential item for maintaining vibrant and healthy-looking colored hair. This powerful toning mask works by depositing violet pigments that counteract brassiness, leaving your locks looking salon-fresh and revitalized with every use, ensuring your hair color remains precisely as you desire it. Number 5. Olaplex and Degree Point 3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex and Degree Point 3 Plus, your ultimate solution for hair repair. This powerful treatment is designed to bring your hair back to life. In just 3 minutes before your shampoo, this pre-wash treatment works wonders. It's a quick yet effective way to start your hair transformation. It actively repairs damage, addressing the root causes of breakage and split ends. You'll see and feel the difference from the very first use. Experience hair that is noticeably softer and significantly stronger. It helps to rebuild and reinforce your hair's natural structure. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this treatment is formulated for you. It's designed to benefit every hair texture. Achieve visibly healthier hair with consistent use. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine for lasting results. What we like. This product is designed for immediate hair repair. It works to make your hair softer and stronger. If you have damaged hair and are looking for a quick fix, you should consider this. What people say. It leaves the hair very hydrated and soft. It is a good product for toning blonde hair. It neutralizes yellow tones effectively. The mask has a pleasant texture and is easy to apply, leaving hair shiny and manageable. Number 4. Bold Uniq Purple Hair Mask. Are you tired of unwanted yellow tones in your blonde or silver hair? Our purple hair mask is designed to neutralize brassiness, leaving your hair looking vibrant and refreshed. Whether your hair is blonde, platinum, bleached, silver, gray, or ash, this toner is your perfect solution. It works effectively to correct color and enhance your desired shade. Beyond color correction, it deeply conditions dry and damaged hair. Experience softer, smoother, and healthier-looking locks with every use. Formulated to be gentle yet effective, it removes yellow tones without stripping your hair's natural moisture. Enjoy salon-quality results at home. Feel good about your hair care choices. Our product is proudly cruelty-free and vegan, ensuring ethical beauty without compromise. Give your hair the nourishment it deserves. This mask revitalizes dull strands, bringing back shine and manageability. What we like. This mask is perfect for toning blonde, platinum, or silver hair. It effectively removes brassy and yellow tones while conditioning dry, damaged hair. If you're looking for a vegan and cruelty-free option to maintain your cool-toned hair, this is the one for you. What people say. It leaves the hair very soft and hydrated. It neutralizes yellow tones very well, leaving the hair with a beautiful ash color. Number 3. Purple Hair Mask, Deep Conditioner and Toner. Tired of unwanted brassy tones in your blonde hair? Our purple hair mask is here to help neutralize them effectively. This deep conditioner provides intense hydration, repairing damage caused by bleaching. It's perfect for restoring moisture to dry, brittle strands. Specifically formulated as an after-bleach treatment, it works to revitalize and nourish your hair. Get ready to experience softer, healthier-looking locks. It acts as a toner to enhance your blonde shade while deeply conditioning. Achieve a beautiful, balanced color and improved hair texture. Whether you're a woman or man, if your bleached hair needs moisture and repair, this mask is the solution. Enjoy beautifully conditioned hair. What we like. This is a deeply conditioning and toning mask for blonde and brassy hair. It provides repair and moisture for damaged, dry hair. If you need a hydrating treatment after bleaching and want to combat brassiness, this product is a great choice. What people say. This mask is great for toning blonde hair. It neutralizes yellow tones effectively. It leaves hair soft and manageable, with a beautiful shine. The consistency is creamy and easy to apply, and it rinses out well. Number 2. Vitamins Keratin Purple Hair Mask. Tired of brassy tones ruining your blonde? Our purple hair mask is here to help. It effectively neutralizes unwanted yellow and orange hues. Experience deep conditioning like never before. This treatment nourishes your hair, leaving it soft and manageable. It's perfect for all blonde shades. Whether you have blonde, silver, white, gray, or even brown locks, this mask works wonders. It enhances your hair's natural beauty and tone. Infused with keratin, this mask strengthens your hair from within. It helps repair damage and prevent future breakage. Get healthier, stronger hair. Restore vibrancy and shine to your hair. This powerful formula revitalizes dull locks, bringing back their lustrous appearance. Enjoy beautiful, toned hair. Our gentle formula is designed for regular use. It effectively tones your hair without stripping essential moisture. Achieve salon-quality results at home. What we like. This blue hair mask is a deep conditioner designed to neutralize brassiness. It works on blonde, silver, white, gray, and brown locks. If you need to combat unwanted yellow or brassy tones and want a deep conditioning treatment, this is a suitable option. What people say. This mask is very effective at neutralizing yellow tones in blonde hair, leaving it a beautiful, cool blonde. It has a pleasant scent and a creamy texture that is easy to apply and distribute evenly through the hair. The color payoff is excellent, providing noticeable toning results after just one use. Number 1. Naissant Pearl Blonde Hair Purple Toning Mask. Discover the ultimate solution for blonde hair. Our mask is designed to enhance your color and keep it vibrant. Tired of yellow and brassy tones? This mask uses ultra-high purity pigments to effectively neutralize them, leaving your hair looking its best. Infused with hyaluronic acid, collagen, and biotin, it deeply nourishes your strands. Experience healthier, stronger hair with every use. We care about your hair's health. That's why our formula is free from parabens, ammonia, and sulfates, ensuring a gentle yet effective treatment. Achieve that perfect pearl blonde shade you've always desired. It's the ideal addition to your hair care routine for stunning results. With 10.1 fluid ounces, you have plenty to maintain your beautiful blonde. Enjoy long-lasting color and nourishment. What we like. This mask uses ultra-high purity pigments to neutralize yellow and brassy tones. It also hydrates with hyaluronic acid, collagen, and biotin, and is free from harsh chemicals. If you're looking for an effective toner that also nourishes your hair and prefer a formula without parabens, ammonia, or sulfates, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This product is amazing, it leaves my hair super soft and shiny, and the color is perfect. I love how this mask neutralizes brassy tones and leaves my hair looking vibrant and healthy. It's easy to apply and washes out well, leaving no residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.